Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Gismawati with NPM 234120041 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about characteristics and management of decision making. Definition of decision making. Decision making is the process of selecting the best alternative from several available options in order to achieve a specific goal. In everyday life, people make decisions continuously, such as choosing what actions to take or determining the best solution to a problem. In organizations, decision making becomes even more important because the decisions made by managers or leaders can influence the performance and future of the organization. Managers must consider various factors such as available information, possible alternatives, and the potential consequence of each choice. Therefore, understanding the concept of decision making is essential in order to make effective and responsible decisions. Characteristics of decision making. Decision making has several important characteristics, such as first, decision making involves choosing among several alternatives. A decision cannot exist if there is only one option available. Decision makers must compare different alternatives before selecting the best one. Second, decision making is goal oriented and aims to solve problems or achieve specific objectives. Every decision is usually made to improve a situation or address a particular challenge. Third, decision making requires relevant information and analysis. Accurate information help decision makers evaluate each alternative more carefully. Finally, decision making often involves uncertainty and risks. Decision makers cannot always predict the exact outcomes of their choice, so they must consider possible risks when making decisions. Characteristics of effective decisions. Effective decisions usually have several important characteristics, such as first, they are based on accurate and sufficient information. Reliable data allows decision makers to understand the situation better and avoid incorrect assumptions. Second, effective decisions consider various possible alternatives. Evaluating multiple options increase the chance of selecting the best solution. Third, effective decisions focus on achieving organizational goals. The chosen decision should contribute to the overall objectives of the organization. In addition, effective decisions take into account risks and possible consequences. Decision makers must evaluate both positive and negative impacts before implementing a decision. Finally, effective decisions can be implemented effectively, meaning they are practical and realistic for the organization to carry out. Challenge in decision making. In practice, decision making is not always easy. There are several common challenges that decision makers often face, and this challenge can make the process more complex and less predictable. One of the main challenges is limited or incomplete information. In many real-world situations, decision makers don't have access to all the necessary data. Sometimes the information is unavailable, outdated, or difficult to obtain. As a result, they must rely on assumption, estimates, or past experiences. This condition can increase the risk of making inaccurate decisions because the chosen alternative may not fully reflect the actual situation. Another challenge is time constraints. In organizations, decisions often need to be made within a limited time, especially in urgent or dynamic situations. For example, managers may need to respond quickly to market change or unexpected problems. Because of this pressure, decision makers may not have enough time to thoroughly analyze all available alternatives. This can lead to decisions that are less optimal or not fully considered. In addition, decision making often involves high levels of uncertainty and risks. Decision makers cannot always predict the outcomes of their choice with certainty. External factors such as economic conditions, competition, and technological change can influence the result. Because of this uncertainty, decision makers must be able to assess risks carefully and consider both the potential benefits and possible negative impacts of each alternative. Another important challenge is bias or subjectivity of the decision maker. Personal belief, experiences, emotions, and preferences can influence how individuals perceive information and evaluate alternatives. For instance, a decision maker may prefer an option simply because it feels more familiar or comfortable rather than because it's the most effective. This bias can reduce objectivity and lead to less rational decisions. Moreover, organizational factors such as conflicts of interest, communication barriers, and differences in perspective among team members can also create challenge in decision making. When individuals have different opinions or priorities, it may be difficult to reach a consensus, which can delay the decision making process. Therefore, this challenge can significantly affect the quality of decisions. To overcome them, decision makers need to improve the quality of information, manage time effectively, use systematic and analytical approaches, and remain as objective as possible. In addition, collaboration and open communication within the organization can help produce more balanced and well considered decisions. Definition of decision management. Decision management refers to the process of organizing, controlling, and improving how decisions are made within an organization. This process involves using structured methods, data analysis, and analytical tools to support better decision making. Decision management ensures that decisions are not made randomly but are based on systematic procedures and reliable information. Through decision management, organizations can improve consistency in decision making and ensure that decisions align with organizational strategies and goals. Importance of decision management. Decision management is important for several reasons. First, it improves the quality of decisions because decisions are supported by structured analysis and reliable information. Second, decision management reduces errors and uncertainty. When decisions follow a clear process, the chance of making incorrect or impulsive decisions becomes smaller. Third, it supports faster decision-making process, especially in situations where organizations must respond quickly to change in the business environment. Finally, decision management helps organizations achieve their strategic goals because decisions are aligned with long-term organizational objectives. Steps in decision management. Decision management generally involves several important steps. The first step is identifying the decision that needs to be made, which means recognizing the problem or opportunity that requires attention. The second step is gathering and analyzing relevant information to better understand the situation and possible solutions. Next, decision makers develop possible alternatives that can solve the problem. After that, the alternatives are evaluated based on certain criteria such as cost, risk, feasibility, and potential benefits. Then the decision maker chooses and implements the best alternative. Finally, organizations monitor and review the results to determine whether the decision has achieved the expected outcomes. In conclusion, decision making is a crucial process in organizations because it determines how problems are solved and how goals are achieved. Understanding the characteristics of decision making helps individuals and managers make better and more truthful choices. In addition, effective decision management allows organizations to improve the quality of their decisions, reduce uncertainty, and achieve their objective more efficiently. Therefore, developing good decision making skills and applying proper decision management are essential for organizational success. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.